bounces. It just bounced away. I have to go get it. It's under the table. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kenzie, and today we're making bouncy balls. Let's open it up. Okay, so okay, so here's this. Okay, let's find that everything out. What the heck is this? Oh, I holds that together. Okay. Oh yeah, just cautions, we definitely need these. So, these are all the different colors. We have blue, and pink, and two pinks. We have two blues and two pinks, and one orange, and we have one yellow, and we have two purples, and we have two greens. So let's get started. So you snap your molds together like this, and then you'll pour your little stuffing for the top right here. See? I'm doing the circle, and I'm doing pink and purple for the circle. I got my circle all filled up. Now I'm going to do this. It looks like a, I don't know, but it's pretty cool. I don't know. So I'm doing green and yellow. You're going to need a cup of warm water, and you're going to put your mold in a cup of warm water like this. You're going to leave it in the water for 10 minutes. You take them out and you take a napkin and you put it on the napkin. Oh my gosh. So orange in there. Whoa, it's pinky purpley. It's pinky purpley. What color do you think that is, guys? Now they need to sit like this for 10 minutes. And then we can open them. Ooh! So beautiful. Okay. It actually bounces. It just bounced away. I have to go get it. It's under the table. Okay, let's see the next one. OMG. Oh my gosh. Try to get out. This mold is just does not want these guys to go. Some help over here. Okay, we're going to see if it bounces. Okay, this one. I like the colors and I like how they came out. And thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's the end.